everyone. Today we are going to solve an easy problem of LeetCode, that is reverse string. We'll read the question. Write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of character s. So the input is given as an array s. And in the input, hello is written and we have to just reverse the string. So we just have to complete this function. So I'll explain you the logic. So we have taken an array s. We have taken an array s. And then we will take two pointers p1 and p2. p1 for starting and p2 for ending. Okay, now what we will do, we will just swap p1 and p2 so that the string is reversed. So in the first swap, what will happen, h will come in the place of p2 and p2 will come in the place of h. Okay, now what we will do, we will increment p1 and we will decrement p2. p1 plus plus and p2 minus minus, so that p2 comes backward and p1 moves forward. Iteration. Okay, now p1 moves to e and p2 moves to l, and now we will swap those. Okay, l comes here and e comes here. Now again p1 will move forward and p2 will also move forward. So they both come in the same place. So no need of swapping. We will just print the letter as it is. So now it is swapped, but the function is not complete yet. Then the p1 will move forward and p2 will also move forward in the backward direction. Okay, but now p2 is less than p1. p1 has become greater than p2. So we will break the function and we will print the answer as it is. So now we will write the code part. So first of all, we'll take two pointers. I'll name them right and left instead of p1 and p2. The right side is the p1 pointer. This pointer, which is the end pointer. Because we are starting it from 0, so we are taking s dot size minus 1. That is 1 less than the size of the array. Now we will check. If right is greater than left, then only we will perform the operations. That is the moving of the pointers and then swapping of the letters. Now we will take a temp character. Okay, and then we will point it to s of left. Then we'll swap s of left equal to s of right. S is the array. And what we have to do, we have to increment the left pointer and we have to decrement the right pointer. So we will do it here only. Instead of this swap logic, you can also write the swap function. So this is the program and we'll try to run the code. So the solution is accepted and now I'll submit my solution. So success. So this was the logic of the problem reverse string.